What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and welcome to another video. I'm still kind of deciding what this video is going to be about, so in case you haven't read the title, we're going to figure it out together. I've been wanting to improvise a little bit more on our YouTube vlogs to bring in a little bit more real life, so that it's not so, packaged for you guys. So we're still figuring it out. But I do believe that we are going to show you some great food today, and we're also going to help you coming to Madeira, choosing the right way to go around and to avoid the crowds. So there's a lot to speak about today. It's going to be a great video, and I have no doubt that you guys are going to enjoy it. We're at Guindaste, Mirador do Guindaste, on the northeast side of the island, and it's relatively quiet because it's about lunchtime, so all the tourists are having lunch somewhere, and we're about to head that way ourselves to our own little secret spot. So yeah, if you don't get anything out of this video, you're gonna get a great place to have lunch while you're in Madeira. Let's go. We've got some pretty epic clients with us. Remember, before I was a YouTuber, I was a tour guide, I still am a tour guide. So today we've got this client for a couple of days actually, and I don't want to be telling who it is, what we're doing, but he thankfully let us bring Oscar with us, so that's why we're filming at work. So I'm sorry guys, it's yet another video of us working and vlogging at the same time. So I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying all of this, and I promise that real soon, as soon as I got a couple of days to myself, we're gonna bring loads more great content. We're still gonna do the how to drive in Madeira video, so there's still great stuff coming. Like and subscribe for more. And let's go to lunch. Where is this guy? Hey. I don't want to say his name.
Lady of the Jeep, what is your wisdom?
She's posing for the camera. This is a Madeiran traffic jam. Good for the allergies.
It's good. No, it's
smell
so
it.
cute.
But you can give it to them so they can smell it. You've smelled this before already.
Yeah.
It's very, very nice smelling. So yeah, those are the 3 Desertas islands over there. And for a long time, I actually used to think it was called Desertas because it was desert-like. So there was not a lot of water on those 3 islets, so it's very dry landscape. Looks very similar to other parts of the island like Ponta de São Lourenço and Porto Santo, which is a little bit drier and not so green like what we've been seeing. But then later somebody explained to me that during the geologic formation, is that how you say it, the geologic formation? But during the formation of the island, that they used to be part of the main island, and that they deserted us, those islets. So that's why they call them the Desertas. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. So much to do and so little time, but we're trying to multitask here. So we're in Calao de São Jorge. Most of you guys will know this place. If you've been on one of our tours, you'll definitely know this place. So yeah, let me introduce you to the best food in Santana. Am I allowed to say that? I don't know if I'm allowed to say that.
I think you are.
Best food in the world. How's that? There goes the boss, working hard. So the people at this place are the kinds of people that I like to associate myself with, right? These are people that follow my rules, my 2 golden rules. So in today's video, I thought it would be a great idea to tell you a little bit about how Hit the Road Tours works, what we believe in as a company, maybe, you know, sell some tours. For all of you guys who haven't booked, I'm gonna tell you now that you have to go and check out the website and book now because everything's full. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're gonna sit down and talk about real stuff. There he is, do you see him? He's working. So my 2 golden rules at Hit the Road are, number 1, keep them safe, right? Our whole job is to keep everybody safe. And number 2, to try our best. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this was not only because of what we do as a tour company, but also as what we do here on our YouTube channel. We do to keep you guys safe, not to kind of influence you in a bad way. We're trying to keep you safe, trying to keep people happy, and we're trying our best. So when I'm doing my tours, when anybody at Hit the Road is doing their tours, that's the only rules that I care about. The only thing that I want my drivers to do, our drivers to do, is to try their best and keep them safe. And that is what I would like to think is what differentiates us from all the others. So if you are looking for a tour in Madeira, then you have to check out Hit the Road Tours, hittheroadmadeira.com, and you can put in Hugo for President in the promo code and get 10% off. I suggest booking now because everything is full and we are already overbooked for a couple of things in the summer. So here we go. This is why I like to come to this place, because they try their best. This is the, what did you say it was called? Enxereu.
The fish, and served with the tomato rice and limpets.
Nice. Thank you.
And very special.
Oh, the ravioli. That ravioli looks better than the last time. Eh? It's better, right?
Really?
It looks different.
Better and better. That's very good.
Yes.
Really good.
So these are the kinds of places that I like to look for, you know, obviously. Places that are unique and that try their best and keep them safe. Because when you're eating, you have to make sure that you're eating safe food, right? Anything you want to say to everyone watching?
Thank you for all the good reviews, and thank you Hit the Road for the confidence, and see you when I see you.
Are there exciting things coming?
Yeah, we're gonna change the menu on the end of the month. A lot of good things, different things, local, like the trout, local dishes with local products.
I mean the trout,
but
sorry,
different.
I don't know if this caught it, but you know, Jose was telling me that the trout is smoked with wood that is from the old barrels.
Yes.
I mean, that's crazy. I don't even think anyone actually does that.
Well, I'm slightly crazy. The thing is, all the wood gets the smell and the taste of the wine.
Right.
And when it got older, there's a point they cannot salvage it, so it's a waste.
Right.
So they give to us, we burn it and make
you
some smoke.
Just
meats,
the trout or everything?
Everything. Pork kneecap.
I hope I'm not giving away
tail.
secrets.
No, man. Our secret is to try our best and work. That's our secret.
So that's your one.
If somebody
Try your
wants to do
best,
that.
Work.
Yeah, basically.
Hugo, thank you very much.
Jeff, you're the man.
We'll see you again. It's time to
Guys,
wrap
thank
this
you.
out. We're gonna keep going, and I'm gonna try my best now to show you more. So stick around. It's only gonna get better, I hope. You know, because it's already
Not better than this.
4:15, and we've all got jobs. So let's see. You know, come, let's go. We're having problems with the mics, so now we have to manually sync them until we can get it fixed. So we're back in Gaula, and it's a little bit wet, And we're heading off to our last secret weapon. And this time we can show the people where we're going. It means the small king. And oh yeah. This is all you need to do. I've got a secret hoot. Right? It's what my grandfather used to do. When he was knocking on the door. Tin, 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 tin. Come on, brother, don't leave me hanging, man. You see, he thought I wasn't coming. I should have sent him a message, actually. He did say till 6. No, no. So unfortunately, we won't have this pleasure of having sugarcane around because it will be out of the season. But take me away from here. Huh? We're at the Reizinho rum house, rum distillery. I'm not quite sure. It's that time of the day when my mind's getting a little bit fuzzy from all of the work that we've been doing. Remember, this job is quite energy consuming. We're out, we're listening to what people are saying, we're coming up with things in our heads to say, to lead conversations into the right places. We're checking the cars, where all the cars are, we're checking what's going on, we're checking the time. Because another thing that we don't like to do is to order or give orders to our guests. So if you're out and you're in Pico do Arieiro, you want to look around and enjoy yourself, we don't like saying, okay, we're leaving here in 15 minutes or at 8:15 and then I just sit and wait for you. Like, that's not how it works at Hit the Road, because we are trying our best. And talking about that is that I want to try my best to bring more good stuff to you. So I did have something extra that I wanted to speak of in this video, but I've decided that I'm going to make a completely different video. So you guys can look forward to 2 new videos from us. One, how to drive in Madeira, which is of course supposed to be helpful and not stressful. All right, so you know, lay back on the hate and the criticism. All right, it's good stuff. And then the second one is how to beat the crowds in the summertime, because Madeira is quite busy, and of course it's our job to beat the crowds for you guys. So remember, if you come in to Madeira and you want to come on one of the best tours in the world, then check out hittheroadmadeira.com. Use Hugo for President as a promo code at the end at checkout to get 10% off. You won't be disappointed. Spaces are limited because we're a small company and a small team, and we do not bite off more than we can chew. And that's how I feel like right now, but everything is under control. So I want to say thank you, not only to all of you guys watching this, but also to my client who's out with me today, who unfortunately has had to deal with me bringing a camera around everywhere. Like last week I was at meetings bringing cameras, and now I'm with clients bringing cameras because shit is crazy. Okay, like it's just madness. So without me rambling, I hope to see you guys soon. And yeah, I mean, Oscar,
Let's hit the road. Stop working, man.
yeah, let's hit the road. Less blabbing, more action. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Ciao. Let's hit the road.